Today is World Mental Health Day, and Utah marked the day by launching a first-of-its-kind suicide prevention training in Spanish.
News specialist Lad Egan joins us live in the newsroom with the details. Lad?
Yeah, Deanie and Mike, an English version of the Live On Suicide Prevention Playbook launched on Instagram last year. And today, Utah's Department of Health released a version in Spanish.
We want to remind everyone that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and there's always a way out. Together, we can make a difference, and together we can save lives.
We knew that people saw this subject as something very taboo, and so our lessons are different because we go and we give them the baby steps that that perhaps the English speakers community has received over years, the Spanish community has not.
Those who helped create the program say there were unique challenges to tailoring the content for the Spanish-speaking community, which they say is less likely than their English-speaking counterparts to seek help. In developing the lessons through focus groups, they learned that the phrase mental health was too harsh and that using that term was a barrier.
They did not connect with that term, so we call it emotional health. And when they said, yes, you're talking about my emotions, something that I can be healed from, or that I feel this way, but I don't feel like that all the time, or I can recover. And they were so open to that.
The Department of Health says more than 90% of Utahns have been impacted by suicide in some way. They say the Live On Spanish Playbook will increase accessibility to important information that can save lives by recognizing the signs of depression and having those difficult conversations with someone who may be struggling. Whether in English or Spanish, the Live On Playbook has the most important things a person should know to help prevent suicide. It includes short lessons that only take 5 to 7 minutes to complete. Mike and Deanie, the Spanish version already available on Instagram, on Facebook as Live On Latino. You can also find it on YouTube, and of course the English version already available for more than a year now. Back to you.
All right, interesting resources, Lad. Thank you.
And as we address this difficult subject, if you or anyone you know is in crisis, help is always available. You can call the 988 suicide hotline any time of the day to get help. Again, that number on your screen right there, 988.